inside. You know, when someone is so happy that the person looks as if he or she is glowing. Yes, your mind What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy, aka the Dynamite Natural. I make natural hair and girl talk videos. So if you're into those types of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also turn on your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. Okay, so let's get right into this video: how to glow up overnight. Okay, so as always, I know I wouldn't do this, but because for the sake of all newcomers, I always use my notebook or my notepad each time I make sit down videos like this, so that I do not skip important points that I have to give to you. Okay, so first things first, your hair. Let's start here because it's one of the most significant ways to glow up, and it's one of the first things people notice about you. It's your hair. So take care of your hair and use a deep conditioning mask and healthy hair care practices to grow your hair. Not just grow your hair, but grow it healthy. I make natural hair content here on my YouTube channel on how to grow your hair and maintain your hair healthy. So go ahead and subscribe for such content if you haven't already. Okay, so that's number one. Take care of your hair and make it healthy. Even if you're not going to grow it out long, even if you're going to keep it short, make sure it's healthy. The second tip is get it done in some nice style. Okay, you can get box braids, you can get it. If you're natural, you can do some nice styles like a twist style or a popping wash and go. Just get your hair done, or even an afro. A nice little afro is bomb. It will help you to glow the F up. Okay, so that's it. You can also add color. If you're going to color your hair, make sure you get it professionally done, because you don't want to damage your hair. Get it professionally done. And if you don't want permanent color, you can use color wax. There are tons of color waxes in the market now, so you can use it, and you can change. It's good because you can even change up your colors as you like, and it washes off anytime you wash your hair. Another way to grow up hair wise, you can get some wigs like I have on right now. Get some wigs or some extensions, a clip-on extension. It goes a long way to help you to glow up overnight. So yeah, next thing, your eyes. Let's get to your eyes. Now, if you're using an eye cream, make sure you put your eye cream in the fridge to help it to cool down before you apply it, on your under eyes, because it helps to reduce any puffiness you would have, helps it to stay soft and moisturized, and also helps to extend the life of your eye cream. If you do not have an eye cream, you can mash an avocado and place it on your eyes. Helps it to stay moisturized, helps to reduce puffiness. Put it there and then leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off. And yeah, another thing is to sleep with a silk eye mask. It prevents creasing of the eyes and also reduces any visible dehydration, and it helps to lock in moisture. Remember, silk satin scarves? Come on, girl. Use it on your eye. If you're going to use an eye mask, make sure you use a silk eye mask to sleep. Now, the next way to glow up is your lips, or are your lips. Now, you can use a shimmery lip plumping lip gloss to make your lips look luscious, to make them appear glossy. And another thing you can do is to overline your lips to pronounce the beautiful shape of your lips. Okay, and you can also use a nice bold color or any color of your choice to make your lips pop. There are some colors that, you know, make your lips appear fuller, or if you already have full lips, there's some colors. Experiment with different colors that help your full lips to pop. It's a whole vibe. Okay, and another thing is to exfoliate and moisturize your lips with a chapstick. And your lips, when you're talking about your lips, there's no way you won't think lips and think mouth. Make sure you brush and floss at least twice a day, every day. The next way to glow up is your skin. Okay, your whole skin. You can put baby oil or any carrier oil of your choice on your skin. Can be olive oil, coconut oil, or grapeseed oil on your skin, and rinse it off slightly. Any one of your choice. Just research. Each of them have their own different benefits. As example, vitamin E oil. Oh my god, I used my roommate's vitamin E oil one time. Lord, if you use it continuously, it makes your skin glow. If you use it continuously, it makes your skin glow. So just pick any one of your choice, and overall they leave your skin soft, moisturized, and not dry. So sleep. Another thing I read somewhere is to sleep more on your back. It is said that it will reduce the likelihood of getting wrinkles on your face. So yeah, maybe that's something we should all start doing. So if you use primer, if you're a makeup person, you do makeup and you have primer, start using your primer on your skin just before you use your skincare products. It helps the product to seep in better. And when you want to sleep, you can, if you don't have a silk pillowcase or a satin pillowcase, wrap your satin scarf over your pillowcase, or your silk scarf over your pillowcase. Not only does it protect your hair in case your bonnet falls off, which by the way, you should use your bonnet to keep your hair moisturized and healthy. Okay, it will help to protect your skin and make sure that your skin doesn't dry out. Okay, trust me, these tips work. Okay, and use an overnight face mask. Using an overnight face mask helps if your skin is having especially visible hydration. It really helps to keep your skin soft and moisturized. And when you want to go to sleep, another tip is to sprinkle your sheets with powder, baby powder or talcum powder, anyone you have, especially if you live in humid or hot climates like we do. It helps you to not wake up all sweaty. Okay, and it also helps you to smell good. Put some moisturizer on your skin to help you help your skin smell nice, and also use a signature scent on your body, to help you smell nice. Now, I made a whole video on how to smell good all day, because using a signature scent is not just enough. Spraying it is not just enough. So I made a whole video analyzing how to make that whole scent last all day. Make sure you check that video up above. I will link it in the iCards and also in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. Check that whole video out. Oh my god. The next thing is your outfit. Make sure you plan out your outfit. There's nothing like wanting to go out in the next 5 minutes and you're going through your whole closet and you don't know what to wear. So make sure you plan your outfits and pick out a cute or signature outfit. A cute or signature jewelry, maybe your earring or a nice bracelet, something. Pick out cute or signature jewelry that you will or usually would use, and make sure you wear cute outfits and go for a different look. Maybe if you have a signature look with your outfit, try a different look that will still make you look good. Okay, it helps you to stand out and glow up. And wear outfits that complement and flatter your figure faults or your figure flaws. If you have a big tummy, for instance, you want to wear shirts that are peplum in design. They will help to flatter your tummy area and make you look beautiful. Okay, so the next thing are your nails. So you can get them done either professionally, or you can just paint them, or you can use them, you can use clip-on nails, and or you can do it my way. You can grow out your nails and maintain them. I grow out my nails, don't know if you can see it, I grow out my nails and I maintain them. I have nothing against, you know, acrylic nails or, you know, getting it professionally done. I will get it one of these days, okay, but for now we grow these babies out. And a tip for growing out your nails, is you want to have daily intake of protein, because I do get complaints from, you know, people, girls who want to grow out their nails, and they tell me, oh, my nails doesn't stay long for long. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It breaks off when it, you know, tries to get to a particular length, and it's soft. But protein helps to strengthen not just your nails, your hair. So have a daily intake of protein. For instance, I try to have eggs with my breakfast, with my morning tea, for instance. So it helps your nails to stay strong, and it doesn't help you to get soft or break off, you know, when it gets to a particular length. Okay, so that's it. The next step to glowing up is your whole body, your body within. Make sure you have enough beauty sleep. I know it can be hard out here when, if you are a student, you know, you have to burn the midnight oil. I get it, but when you can, have enough beauty sleep. And the next tip is exercise more. Even going for a walk, an early morning walk or an evening walk, helps a lot to keep your body in shape. Eat more fruits and vegetables, you know, eat healthy in general, and drink a lot of water regularly. The last but not the least is your mind. You know, when you are happy inside, you know, when someone is so happy that the person looks as if he or she is glowing. Yes, your mind inside. So what you want to do is, since we're talking about glow up, listen to affirmations of glow up, for glow up, beauty, positivity, and confidence. And make sure you smile often, do things that make you happy, and be nice to people. Develop a better attitude and give off positive vibes in general, okay? And make sure you let go of worries, spread love, and listen to music that gives you positive vibes and makes you happy, and make sure you remain positive and confident. So yeah, if you do all these tips, or a greater part of it, you are going to glow up overnight. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I really do hope these videos are helpful, because I do take my time to make sure that I give you my best. I'm still working on my best. I'm going to make sure my best is better than this, but for now this is my best, and I really hope that they do help. So let me know some of your glow up tips in the why do I want to say description box, in the comment section down below. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends. Or anybody who you think this video will be helpful to. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to all for more videos like this, so you can be notified each time I post new videos. And don't forget to also follow me on my social media platforms. I know that I have not really been consistent, but I'm going to try. I will try. For you guys' sake, I'm going to try to be consistent. Did I say that right? Oh my god. I better be going, or else I will murder English. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope that this video is helpful. I really do hope. Please tell me it is. Please, Lord, let it be. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, and stay beautiful. I love you. Bye.